prepared, man.
I did.
Hooked up, hooked up.
All right.
All right. Right behind you. Oh, they're not strong at all.
All right. Crash. Coming at the boat to go right around.
Yep.
Keep going. Right in front of this muddy here. Turn the boat.
Unreal.
Greg, we just heard the reel going off.
I thought it was Fred screaming like a little schoolgirl. We only got 4 miles to go.
Getting a little warm. Yeah.
Yeah. If it's Vegas, I'm putting my money on the tuna.
We're 30 minutes into this fight, and it's time to lay the screws to this fish. This is going to be a workout.
He's trying to go. Oh. To me.
Can you imagine doing this in 10 hours?
Nope.
At this point, I have the drag set to its max at 50 pounds, and I've got 2 thumbs on the spool. I'm just trying to wear this fish out. This is insane.
Just give for a bit. Watch your rod.
Strong fish, man. Unbelievable how strong these things are. Stupid impossible.
No will. Just break his will. Boy, baby. Never take down trees.
Is he falling asleep up there? Or?
No,
See that 40?
Yeah.
40 feet.
40 feet.
That's, you brought him up 20 feet the last
39? 37?
They're sick. Better be a tuna.
Dump down and goes back out.
There any Russian subs in the area? Any Russian subs in the area? Wings tired from just watching him.
Coming up now.
Yeah. Oh!
Rod.